Have you ever wondered if something as simple as a glass of juice before bed could actually help your eyes and brain heal overnight? Imagine waking up not just feeling refreshed, but actually seeing the world a little clearer, your eyes less tired, your mind sharper, your memory a little stronger. Sounds too good to be true, doesn't it? But here's the fascinating part. Certain natural juices, when taken before sleep, can actually nourish your eyes and brain while your body rests. You see, nighttime isn't just for rest. It's when your body goes into repair mode. Your cells regenerate, your brain processes memories, and your eyes detoxify from the long hours of visual stress. And when you give your body the right nutrients before bed, it uses that time to rebuild and restore. The right combination of fruits and vegetables can do wonders, supporting clearer vision, stronger nerves, and sharper memory without needing expensive supplements or complicated routines. Before we go deeper, make sure you subscribe to our channel, Senior Health Today, where we share weekly videos that help you protect your eyes, boost your memory, and age with confidence, naturally. Now, let's dive into what makes these juices so powerful, and why drinking them before bed works better than any other time of day. When we sleep, blood flow to the eyes increases, delivering oxygen and nutrients to the retina and optic nerve. At the same time, the brain performs something called lymphatic cleansing. It literally washes away toxins that accumulate during the day. But here's the catch. This process depends on hydration, antioxidants, and vitamins, all of which the right juices can supply. So, when you drink these juices before bed, you're giving your body the exact fuel it needs for this natural overnight repair system. Let's start with the first juice on our list, one that's been studied for decades and praised in both modern nutrition and traditional health books: carrot and beet juice. Carrots, as you probably know, are rich in beta-carotene, a form of vitamin A that converts in your body to retinol, the compound your retina needs for clear vision, especially in low light. But what many people don't realize is that combining carrots with beets dramatically increases blood flow to your eyes and brain. Beets contain nitrates, which turn into nitric oxide in your body, a natural compound that opens blood vessels, helping oxygen reach every cell more efficiently. In one study from the Journal of Nutrition, older adults who consumed beet juice daily showed improved blood flow to the brain's frontal lobes, the areas responsible for decision-making, focus, and memory. Another study in the British Journal of Ophthalmology found that higher nitrate intake was associated with a lower risk of developing glaucoma, a condition that affects many seniors' vision. So when you combine carrots and beets, you're essentially getting a vision and brain oxygen booster. Drinking half a glass of this mixture about an hour before bed helps your body circulate nutrients more effectively during sleep. It also helps lower blood pressure, which is another bonus for both your eye vessels and your memory. Now here's a small but important tip that comes from real-life experience shared by many nutrition experts. Always prepare this juice fresh, and if possible, warm it slightly. Not hot, just room temperature. Cold juices can sometimes slow digestion, but when it's slightly warm, your body absorbs the nutrients more easily. The second juice that works wonders overnight is blueberry and spinach juice. Now, this might sound like a strange combo, but it's one of the most powerful natural tonics for both eyesight and cognitive function. Blueberries are packed with anthocyanins, those deep purple pigments that protect your retina from oxidative stress. Spinach, on the other hand, provides lutein and zeaxanthin, two compounds often called the sunglasses of the eyes, because they filter harmful blue light and prevent macular degeneration. Together, these two create a synergy that strengthens your retina's photoreceptors while also improving communication between brain cells. Researchers from Tufts University found that older adults who consumed blueberry extracts showed significantly better memory retention and coordination. Similarly, studies from Harvard School of Public Health highlight that spinach helps prevent age-related vision loss by supporting macular health. Now imagine this. You're sipping a small glass of this vibrant purple-green juice before bed, and while you sleep, the antioxidants travel through your bloodstream, repairing cell membranes, soothing inflammation, and even improving how your eyes adjust to darkness. It's like giving your eyes a gentle spa treatment every night, from the inside out, and if you want to make it taste better, you can add half a banana or a few drops of lemon. The natural sweetness balances the flavor and adds an extra dose of vitamin C, a key nutrient that keeps the eye's capillaries strong and reduces the risk of cataracts. Now, I know some of you might be wondering, is it really safe to drink juice at night? That's a great question, and here's the answer based on both research and years of health coaching experience. If you keep your portions small, around 4 to 6 ounces, and avoid adding sugar, it's perfectly safe. In fact, natural juices rich in antioxidants can even promote better sleep because they help lower cortisol levels and improve circulation to the pineal gland, which regulates your sleep hormones. So, as you can see, bedtime isn't just a time to rest your eyes, it's the perfect time to feed them. Your body does its best healing work at night, and these nutrient-dense juices are like giving it the exact tools it needs to repair the damage caused by stress, aging, and long hours of screen exposure. Before we move on to the next 2 powerful juices in the next part, let's take a moment to remember this. Healing doesn't have to be complicated. Sometimes it's about small, consistent rituals that nourish you from within. 1 glass before bed, a few deep breaths, and a mindset that believes in renewal. That's where transformation begins. Now let's move on to the 3rd juice, one that many seniors overlook. Yet, it has some of the strongest evidence for supporting both memory and vision recovery during sleep. I'm talking about tomato and pomegranate juice, a powerful combination that works on circulation, inflammation, and brain clarity all at once. Tomatoes are rich in lycopene, a red pigment that protects your retina from oxidative stress. Several studies, including those from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, have found that lycopene helps reduce the risk of macular degeneration and cataracts by neutralizing free radicals in the lens and retina. But what makes tomatoes truly special at night is that lycopene accumulates in the eye's macula, where your sharpest vision comes from, and helps repair it while you sleep. When you mix tomatoes with pomegranate juice, the benefits multiply. Pomegranate is one of the richest natural sources of polyphenols, plant compounds that enhance oxygen delivery to brain tissue and reduce memory loss caused by oxidative stress. In one clinical trial conducted at the University of California, older adults who drank pomegranate juice daily for just 4 weeks showed measurable improvements in verbal memory and recall. That means your brain actually stores information more efficiently when it's nourished this way. And there's more. Pomegranate juice also supports blood vessel flexibility, which keeps the tiny capillaries in your eyes open and healthy. If you think of your eyes as a delicate camera, pomegranate juice keeps the lens clear and the wiring smooth. The best time to drink this juice is about 30 to 45 minutes before bed. Just a small glass, about half a cup, is enough. Here's a simple way to prepare it. Blend half a ripe tomato with half a cup of fresh pomegranate seeds and a splash of water. Don't strain it completely. A bit of the fiber helps slow down sugar absorption and keeps your digestion steady. The taste is slightly tangy, refreshing, and light. Perfect before bedtime. Now we've saved the most relaxing juice for last, one that not only improves vision and memory but also helps you sleep deeper and wake up with calmer eyes. The 4th juice is kiwi and celery juice. It might sound unusual, but this gentle green drink supports your nervous system, eye muscles, and brain cells all at once. Kiwi is one of the few fruits that naturally contain serotonin precursors, which help regulate your sleep cycle. It's also loaded with vitamin C and vitamin E, 2 antioxidants that shield your eyes from light damage and keep your tear glands functioning properly. Research from Taipei Medical University found that adults who ate 2 kiwis before bed fell asleep 35% faster and experienced better sleep quality, which in turn enhances how your brain consolidates memory overnight. Celery complements kiwi beautifully. It's rich in apigenin, a plant compound known for reducing inflammation and supporting neurogenesis, the process by which your brain forms new cells. For seniors, this is especially important, because as we age, our brain's ability to create new neurons slows down. Drinking celery juice helps reactivate that process naturally. Plus, celery's natural sodium and magnesium content keep your eyes hydrated, preventing dryness or redness in the morning. Here's how to make it. Blend 1 peeled kiwi, 1 celery stalk, and half a cup of water. Drink it slowly, about 20 minutes before bed. This mild, slightly sweet juice acts like a calming signal to your nervous system, telling your body it's time to rest and repair. Now, let's step back for a moment. You've learned about 4 powerful bedtime juices: carrot beet, blueberry spinach, tomato pomegranate, and kiwi celery. Each one targets a specific part of your body's nighttime repair process, from increasing oxygen flow and protecting the retina to feeding your brain cells and improving sleep depth. But here's the key: consistency. These juices won't create miracles in one night, but if you make them a regular part of your evening routine, you'll start noticing changes within a few weeks. Your eyes may feel less dry, your vision may stay sharper during reading, and your memory might feel clearer. Seniors who have followed these simple routines for a month often report waking up with a sense of clarity, both mentally and visually. Here's a quick tip based on experience from nutrition experts and eye doctors alike. Always use fresh produce and, if possible, organic fruits and vegetables. Avoid adding sugar. The natural sweetness is enough. If you want variety, you can alternate between these juices each night, so your body receives a wider range of nutrients throughout the week. Another important detail: stay hydrated during the day. Many seniors experience blurry vision or headaches simply due to mild dehydration, especially if they drink caffeine or certain medications. These bedtime juices count as hydration, but your total daily intake matters just as much. Aim for 6 to 8 glasses of water throughout the day so your body can make full use of these nighttime nutrients. And let's not forget your mindset. When you prepare your juice at night, make it a quiet, intentional moment, almost like a ritual of self-care. Turn off the screens, dim the lights, take a few slow breaths, and sip your juice slowly. The calm that follows tells your brain and body it's safe to relax, and that alone improves how well your eyes and mind restore during sleep. It's these small habits repeated nightly that create real change. Just like exercise builds muscle, nourishment builds clarity. One evening at a time. If you have watched this far, that tells me you truly care about your health. And that's inspiring. You're already taking action to protect your eyesight and your memory naturally. So before we close, let me remind you, every nutrient you give your body tonight is an investment in tomorrow's vision and vitality. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe to Senior Health Today. Your support helps us reach more seniors who want to age with strong eyes, sharp minds, and healthy hearts. And if you'd like us to make a video about bedtime teas or foods that enhance eyesight even further, let us know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching this video. Take care of your eyes, rest well, and remember, your healing starts the moment you close your eyes and believe that renewal is possible.